Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily create a Google Ads account without credit card. So of course, head over to ads.google.com and just click on the Start Now button. And from here, you might be prompted to log into your Google account. So from here, you will be prompted to create your first campaign. Just go through the process and follow all the on-screen guidelines. So after going through all the process of creating your Google Ads account, you're also going to need to enter your account and payment details, which if you add a payment method, you're required to add a credit or debit card. But you don't have to go through this process, and all you have to do is head over in a new tab, then type ads.google.com, then add a slash home dash tools dash manager dash accounts, then enter this URL. This should redirect you to manage clients page. And from here, all you have to do is go to manager accounts and confirm your business information by filling out the details such as account display name, primary use of account, billing country, time zone, currency, and of course, check the CAPTCHA. Then once done, just head over and click on the submit button. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!